So whenever you try to create images with Nano Banana Pro, create image, and sometimes after creating 3 to 4 images, you get limitation and you cannot use the Nano Banana Pro to create images. If you're lucky, if you have another Gmail, then you go to another Gmail, sign in with another, go to another Gmail account and create more images. But using Nano Banana Pro to get 6 to 8 images in not sometimes is not fruitful. So you want to create more images like 10 images, 20 images, 30 images per day. Also, if you want to create 4K images with Nano Banana Pro for free, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this. So if you use Google Gemini app, you can edit your images and create images for free. Also, there are some websites which is called arena.ai. Here you can also create images for free using Nano Banana Pro. So if you come to this arena.ai, if you click on this generate images option and click on this petal mode to click on direct, you can find that here is the Gemini 3 image preview 2K Nano Banana Pro. You can select this. You can see from the chat here, I always use this to create images for free. So if I go to any chat here, and as you can see, I created these images using Nano Banana Pro for free. So I'm going to create the thumbnail for this video. So if I just paste the prompt here and click submit, it's going to start the generating images for me. Now you can create 4 to 5 images, not every day, like every hour. So if you create 4 to 5 images, after that it will give you a 2-hour break and then you can use it again for free. So this is one way to create Nano Banana Pro images for free. So while the images has been generating, I'm going to show you another website which is called labbar.ai. And here when you create an account with the Gmail, you will get 500 credits or maybe 100 credits. At the beginning it was giving 500 credits for free, and in this website you can create 4K images for free. So also you get 30 credits, daily credits for free. So if I just go to this, if I go to this Nano Banana Pro option, you can choose that. And if I click on this untitled option, as you can see, I already use this for creating thumbnail for everyday use cases. So in this way, you can use Nano Banana Pro for free every day like free. Don't worry, I'm going to show you another website where you can use this for free. And here I am, as you can see, if you click on this image generator option, you can see there's the Nano Banana Pro. Here you can choose another image model, but we're going to use Nano Banana Pro because that's the best. And here you can see there's option of 1K, 2K and 4K. Now if you use 2K option, it will also use 10 generation, 10 credit. And if you choose 4K, it will also use 18 credits. So you can only create one 4K images with the 30 credits that you get daily for free. So this way you can also create 4K images. So if I just paste the prompt here for this thumbnail that I'm going to create for this video, and you can also choose the landscape from here, you can also choose the aspect ratio from here. So I'm going to choose 16:9, which is going to be for my YouTube thumbnail, and click submit. And this is going to generate 4K images for free. So while it's generating, let's go to the LM Arena, and as you can see, my thumbnail has been created, which is pretty cool here. As you can see, this is the thumbnail that maybe I'm going to use for this video. And this is also generated by Gemini 3 Nano Banana Pro, and you can also edit images from here for free. Like if I want to change the color of the cloth of this image, like if I just told to change the color of the jacket to purple and click submit, then this will change the color of the jacket, like edit the images for me also for free. And the last website I'm going to show you, which is also for free, and this is from Google, which is called Flow. Now, if you just go to Google and search for Flow, you'll find this Flow, googlelabs.flow, and you need to sign in with the Gmail account. Now, you already know, if you don't know, that Flow is a video generator, AI video generator, which is the best AI video generator from Google. And if you click on a project here, so if I just click on this project or create a new project, you can see there's an option of create image. You have to choose this create image option, and you can see there's an option of Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. So if I just select that, you can also choose the landscape or portrait mode, and you can choose how many outputs that you want. For example, I'm going to choose 2, and also I'm going to paste the prompt of the thumbnail that I'm going to create and click submit. Now, Flow is the best here because I use this every day to create my thumbnail. As you can see, I use this Flow using the Nano Banana Pro to create any thumbnail that I want every day for free. So I don't have to pay for the Gemini Pro to get the Nano Banana Pro. Now in Flow here, you can create 20 images per day, maybe, I don't know, because I use this like for every day and I get 10 to 15 images without any hassle. If you have another Gmail, you can go to another Gmail to create another images for free. I use this for multiple Gmail, and you can use this like for unlimited time if you have many option Gmail, many Gmail. But for every day, this is cool. You can use this for free. As you can see, this is the thumbnail that I got from my image prompt. So let's just go to the lover.ai, and this is the 4K. If I just zoom it out, and this is the 4K resolution image that I got from my prompt. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you, that you can actually use Nano Pro for free for everyday use cases. Like I use to create thumbnail for everyday, like 5 to 10 images not work for me. Sometimes I need 20 images, 30 images. So that's why I use the Nano Pro for free. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.